So that video takes you pretty much up to date. Regardless of the fact it's a little outdated, it does show you how we got here. Some of the words you may not understand because that was pretty highly technical is some of those like X25 protocols and stuff like that. Really what they're talking about is modems more than anything else. A TCP/IP is a modem. It's the little blinky light in the box in your house. That modem that supplies both your cable and your internet comes from a major company. It's usually Comcast, Verizon, or something. Those are major corporations that are technically your ISPs, your internet service providers, which means when people think who's in charge of the internet, a lot of people think it's the government. But not since 1989 has the government been in charge. It's up to the World Wide Web, the operators, the internet service providers. So it really comes down to two people are potentially in charge of the internet. The users, the people who actually get to it, or the internet service providers, the people that provide that internet to you. And I like to err towards that because the rest of our course is really about how culture has become a commodity, that somewhere, somehow, some sort of company is profiting off of your creativity. And that's a large part of our experience. And a lot of the responses you're going to have to make in this class is understanding how those pieces of culture have been commodified. That, to me, is one of the darkest things about the rhetoric of the internet that's happening today. I think a lot of people are very radicalized or partisan, but they're not seeing the bigger picture. The bigger picture is it isn't one side versus the other. It's we're all using the same platform. We have all different voices inside this platform, but really what is these major companies, Facebook, Google, Amazon, that is really taking our culture, our creativity, and turning it into a new product. So I just want to show you a really, really quick video about it's called A Discussion on Memes, the Traditional Medium, and the Internet Culture as a Whole. It's a little video made that doesn't have many views, but I found it to be a very good resource of somebody explaining what happens when corporations take control of memes.